The 95% mortgage market is now up and running and flowing nicely. We're seeing more lenders each week introducing the 95% products under the mortgage guarantee scheme. In this video, I discuss the requirements for these mortgages and provide information on what they look like. Let's get to it. What's up, Alex Kerr from Mortgage Chain. I'm a qualified mortgage broker, and on this channel we provide the best mortgage tools and tips to first-time buyers. If we're meeting for the first time, please consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. So the 95% mortgage guarantee scheme opened its doors in April. However, it's taken a little while for the market to get going. Rates started at around the 4% mark, with some lenders only offering 5-year fixed rates. Since April, more lenders have come to the table with their offerings, and this has produced some healthy competition, which in turn has reduced rates by a little bit, by approximately 0.25%, give or take. My experience so far is that the credit scores are maybe not as harsh as I thought. Some lenders are bringing out products for light adverse credit, and others showing similar flexibility that they do at 90% loan to value. Income multiples. Generally, lending is capped at 4.5 times income. However, there are one or two lenders who have products which exceed these multiples. Typically, you'd need to look at a 5-year fixed rate to activate these higher loan amounts. Mortgage applications. There is no difference in the way that mortgage applications are assessed when compared to previous 95% mortgages. The mortgage guarantee scheme is provided to the mortgage lender in order for them to provide 95% mortgages to first-time buyers and home movers. The majority of high street lenders and more building societies each week have signed up to the mortgage guarantee scheme. You can always go direct with your own bank or use a mortgage broker to assess the market on your behalf. The advantage at using a broker for the mortgage guarantee scheme is that they will likely know the lenders to go to for increased affordability and the ones that are more flexible with some minor adverse credit. So what properties can I buy? There are no restrictions applied to this scheme based on the type of property you can buy. This will be down to the criteria of each individual mortgage lender. You're free to buy existing properties, however you cannot use this scheme with other schemes such as Help to Buy. The mortgage guarantee scheme has enabled the market to get going and has provided the bridge to many first-time buyers who only had a 5% deposit. This, coupled with a stamp duty holiday, has meant there are more buyers than sellers, which has increased property prices. However, once the stamp duty holiday ends, I do expect this to even out a little more. We have provided a list of all the current lenders currently offering 95% mortgages under the mortgage guarantee scheme. Please see the description below to access the list. Today's question: are you looking to buy a property with a 5% deposit, or are you waiting until the stamp duty holiday ends? Let me know in the comments. So please note, we do need to let you know that your home may be repossessed if you do not keep up repayments on your mortgage. So if the 95% mortgage guarantee scheme is something you need a hand with, please do book a free analysis call with us and we can go through your options. The link to book is in the description below. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope it's provided you with some useful tips that will provide you with value. Please check out the show notes for a recap on today's video with access to any links discussed today. Please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell to receive further notifications when we release our videos. I've been Alex Kerr, providing the best tools and tips to first-time buyers. Till next time, stay safe, take care of each other, and we'll see you in the next one.